areas, but as far as visibility goes, we're not looking at patchy fog, especially in comparison to last week. In fact, it's a clear view of downtown San Diego from the rooftop of Peyo's Coronado restaurant. In Lindbergh Field right now, current temperatures are tracking in the mid-60s, so a lot of us are waking up a little more mild along the coast than the inland valleys. Here's a really pretty view from our Mount Woodson Skycam facing Poway. Most of us are waking up underneath those clouds. Current temperatures right now, 57 degrees inland, so it looks like, yeah, we're trending about 5 degrees cooler the more closer to the inland valleys that you are. The sun will fully rise in less than an hour, 6:55, and then it will set tonight just before 6:20. All right, as you enjoy that cup of coffee, blow dry your hair, do whatever it is you got to do to get your day going. Temperatures outside will stay in the low 60s for the coast up until 9 o'clock and the upper 50s inland through 9 a.m. Here's what I have on tap for today versus where we should be for this time of the year. We'll be in the mid to upper 60s later on today for downtown San Diego. That's about 8 degrees cooler than average. Most areas west of the mountains will actually be below seasonal. Very different scenario than last week. Last week we were warm and we were trending 15 to 20 degrees above normal. Not the case as we get this work week going. We'll be shy of average for Ramona, reaching a high of 79 degrees today. That's 1 degree below average. And then for Borrego Springs, we'll be closer to 100 degrees, and that's actually above seasonal. Here is what's happening aloft. This is our satellite and radar composite. This is a cutoff low from the jet stream, so this area of low pressure is ushering in cooler conditions for us here in Southern California, sitting parked over Nevada. That's going to push out of the way, and in will move an even bigger area of low pressure. The jet stream is actually going to dive south, and that's going to bring cooler and cloudier conditions every day up until the end of the week, with the possibility for some light drizzle and heavy mist. So today we'll actually look at clear conditions. Today will be one of the clearest days of our work week, especially when it comes to the coastal areas, and then we'll have onshore flow increasing, and that will give us the chance for some drizzle, heavy mist Wednesday, Thursday, and especially Friday. Coastal areas will be in the upper 60s now all the way through Friday, and then we are actually looking at gradual warming this weekend. So the inland areas will be in the mid 70s all the way up until Wednesday. We drop down a few degrees Thursday and Friday, and then temperatures warm back up this weekend. Mountain areas will be in the low 70s later on this afternoon. Remember, tomorrow's our transition day, so high pressure will strengthen a little bit for the county's eastern half. Daytime highs will push close to 80 degrees, and then we're cooling down pretty significantly Thursday and Friday. We're talking about highs in the 50s by Friday in our mountains. Mid to upper 90s all the way through Tuesday, 80s and 70s by the latter part of the work week.